has because there's some great golf. And we're here bringing the top 3 courses that we were able to find. But more importantly, we want to turn this into a Reddit type feel. We need your comments down below, not only to build this channel, but to turn it into a Reddit type feel. Moving us into number 3, we leave the name of the course at the bottom left hand side, and we'll talk about it like a 4.2 out of 5 with 56 Google reviews to choose from. Get out here and book yourself a time within yourself to enjoy golf, because this course is like any other you'll ever play. A little 9-hole resort course for a par 36 that stretches a long 3,035 yards, a slope of 113, and a rating of 74.1. The course is very old, being constructed in 1990. 1909, had some updates in 1999 and in 2003. It leaves us and brings us closer to our number 1 course for this area. If you've made it this far or you're interested just in golf design, hit that subscribe button as we head on over to the next course here at number 2. With 3,300 Google reviews, this course is pretty legit. It's a 4.4 out of 5 and is located on 97 acres of land. It's a par 72 that stretches 6,989 yards from those back tees. It's public, it's parkland style, but also a woodland style course, and has a slope of 130 with a rating of 72.9. Being constructed in 1989, it's still a beautiful golf course with a driving range and other amenities to close out this number 2 course. If you made it this far, or maybe you're just interested in golf design, let us know down in the comment section which courses we need to target in the near future. We've played a lot of golf, 250 golf reviews to be exact, and we use these type of videos to formulate our plan to execute a golf trip unlike any other. And India is somewhere we're targeting. But of course, we don't know what we're doing, and we have to use help from others. So let's take a look now at Lucknow, because that's what we'll need as we move in to our number 1 facility within this beautiful state in India. Swinging into the Lucknow Golf Course has 2,000 Google reviews to choose from. Setting the tone and closing us out, it's living in history when playing this course. Overall established in 1950, it used to have another name to the course, but it has a bar, dining room, banquet room, and other amenities to enjoy your experience out here in this state. Overall, the course is a par 70. That's a parkland style stretching 6,391 yards with a slope of 113 and a rating of 69.8, being built in 1950 by Howtree Incorporated. It does close our list out here at number 1. It's caddies and also a driving range to close this video. Most importantly, we need your help. We want to turn this into a Reddit type feel. We want people to subscribe. More importantly, have a conversation about golf. And at this course right here, we believe we have the number 1 golf course. However, we do need your help down below. If there's anything we got right, or if there's anything we got wrong, hit us in the comment section so we can make updates in the near future. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on the fun, affordable side of golf. If you're not watching, go formulate your plan to go golf later today.